Hi, good afternoon, Aiden Rose.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Do you have your lunch already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Eden Rose Fernandez. I'm a single mom. I have one daughter. She is already 8 years old. My mother is Rosalinda Fernandez. She is a sewer. My father is Edgardo Fernandez. He is a businessman. I have one brother and 3 sisters. One brother outside. And then
You are the third in the family.
I'm third in the family.
Okay. What is your education?
I already attained college level, but it is undergraduate. Bachelor of Science in Radiologic Technology.
Second year college level.
Yes, ma'am.
If your Hong Kong employer requests you to tutor the children's homework, do you think you can handle?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Okay. You are Catholic. If your Hong Kong employer cannot provide you Sunday off, you cannot go to the church. Any problem?
Nothing, ma'am.
It's okay,
It's okay.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
And I see you have long hair. Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
You have experience to work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines 4 years with one employer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is your main duty in the house?
My main duty in the house is to take care of the sick old woman named Dina Ingham.
What
She
program
has
of her?
she has diabetic illness.
So you know how to take care of the diabetic patient?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
I know how to give medicines, give food. Sometimes there is a problem, so we need to go her to the hospital. Sometimes, not most of the times.
And she already need to inject every day or no need?
Yes, ma'am. Insulin. Yes, ma'am.
You are the one who do it?
Sometimes, ma'am, because there are three shifts in the house.
Nurse.
Physical therapist.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are more on the household work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you also, besides of taking care of this diabetic sick woman, what other household work you still do?
I know how to clean the house. In our house, I do it. Wash our clothes. Cook sometimes. Most of the times I cook. Because we have no helper to do that. Ironing, washing dishes.
Ironing, laundering, like that, right?
Yes, ma'am. All the household chores.
How's your cooking skill? Are you a good cook?
I know how to cook Filipino food. Yes,
Are you a good cook in Filipino food?
they like my cooking. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if your employer, they only give you some cookbook or recipe in Chinese food, do you think you can handle and manage?
Yes, ma'am. If I can read the direction, I know how to cook it.
Okay.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you are good in Filipino food cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any kind of food, drugs, or detergent you have allergy?
No, ma'am.
Can you accept no off day but to be paid instead?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer requests you finish your general cleaning first before you go out for your holiday, any problem?
Nothing, ma'am.
Sure.
It's okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are willing to work for the family with more than 6 members, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How about if with the disabled or invalid person? Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Can you promise not to use telephone, even your own cell phone, without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am. Because it is the rules and regulation, I know.
Okay. Thanks for your coming, Eden. Thank you.
Thank you po.